To date, Williamson County has gotten about $2.7 million of grant money from the Capitol. That money is designed to help rebuild Illinois. So far, Williamson County has gotten 4 of the 6 payments. The Williamson County highway engineer says they've used some of that money to re-asphalt Crenshaw Road. They say the money is for projects, not for everyday operating expenses.
We're trying to use this money on projects that we wouldn't normally be able to build, or might have to wait till we were to get more funds. We're trying to maximize the use of these funds by matching federal projects to maximize the use of these funds.
Of the $2.7 million received, 1.4 of that is either under contract or will soon be under contract. A resurfacing project is expected to start as early as next week on Grassy Road from Illinois 37 to 148.